Good morning, health nuts. Welcome back to the channel. It is morning. I just woke up a little while ago, did my morning meditation, already had my lemon water. I feel like you guys see that all the time. I'm just drinking regular water now. But yeah, so we are doing like a cozy what I eat in a day video today. I have some delicious meals that I have planned to make today. But first things first, I'm gonna make some herbal coffee, and I also am using this new coconut creamer. It's like a hazelnut one. It tastes so good. I will link it down below for you guys, as well as most of the products that I'm mentioning in today's video. I will try to remember to link them. I get a lot of questions about like what kettle I use, what pots and pans I use, so if I can find a link to something I'm using in today's video, I will link that down below. Now, before we hop in, I just want you to pause this video so you can hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on a future video. I post 3 times a week on this channel, in case you didn't know. So lots of things for you guys to binge watch this season, and I'm really excited to just hop right in because I'm also pretty hungry. So let's go make our herbal coffee, make a smoothie. I'm gonna show you how to make a green smoothie that is warming and comforting even during the colder weather, because I get a lot of questions about that as well. So let's hop into the video. All right, so here is my herbal coffee. So I just used my regular herbal coffee I use all the time. I'll link it down below. I just put some hot water and then that hazelnut creamer I was talking about. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. I can't wait for you guys to try it, and it's unsweetened too. It's delicious, so good. You can of course use it with regular coffee, but I don't drink coffee, for those of you who don't know. I am a caffeine-free kind of girl. I don't need the energy. I'm like awake right when I wake up. So I'm gonna enjoy this, do some emails, and then probably make a smoothie pretty soon because I am getting hungry, and I wanna make it before Matt leaves for work as well. He's just in the other room getting ready. But usually I'll try to make a smoothie for both of us so he can just have one on his way out. And then it's just like an easy, nutritious breakfast to have in the morning when you're like busy doing other things. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, smoothie is done. Matt like chugged his and just left for work. So I'm gonna enjoy mine slowly. I added, so to make it like very warming and great for the colder weather, I added in a huge chunk of raw ginger. I added in spices like cinnamon and turmeric. If I have turmeric root on hand, I'll add that in, but I didn't today. And then also too, I just won't add ice cubes or a lot of frozen fruit. So for this one, I just did frozen banana, but you could use just ripe non-frozen banana if you wanted. And I also used a more hardy leafy green like baby kale. I did a mixture of spinach and kale, but just think about those warming spices. Those are gonna be what makes you not feel like you're having a cold smoothie when it's cold outside. So this drink is super cozy and warming, even though it is a smoothie, and it's something I love to start my day with. So I'm gonna go enjoy this, freshen up a little bit, and I will see you guys for lunchtime. This is so good. All right, I am back. It's now lunchtime. I'm more freshened up. Before we hop into lunch, I have to say, I wanna thank my mom. I wanna thank my dad. Just kidding. But I wanna thank you guys for helping me win the notable award for YouTuber of the Year. That is such a crazy title, but I'm gonna take it. I was up against some really awesome other very big YouTubers, bigger than the Health Nut channel, but it just goes to show that the Health Nut family killed it, and you guys, all your votes really did matter, and that is how I won this. So cue the cheering and the confetti. I'm just like, I just want to sleep with it at night. I'm very excited. I did a whole post about it, which you guys left so many amazing comments on, so thank you so much. I am so grateful to win this. You don't even know. This is just like so awesome. So it just kind of represents the Health Nut community and how amazing and engaged you guys are, and how we all just kind of support each other. All right, now that we got the agenda stuff out of the way, let's talk lunch. So I was recipe testing all day yesterday, and I made a delicious creamy chicken and rice soup. I've teased you guys this on Instagram for a little bit now. I'm sorry, I just wanted to perfect the recipe before I shared it with you. So I have some in the fridge. I'm gonna grab it right now. I already put some aside for Matt to bring to work today, so he's gonna have a lovely lunch, but I have just the leftovers here. It's so good, so nourishing for this time of year, super cozy, which is the theme of this video. So I'm gonna heat some up and have that for lunch. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. It's gonna be delicious. And I think I'm just gonna have this by itself because it's pretty hearty. It has chicken, rice, tons of veggies, and it's just creamy and delicious. And that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. Soup is ready. I had to put it on a plate because it's very hot. So as you saw, I like to put some, there's already spinach in it when I cooked it on the slow cooker, but I like to put some fresh spinach when I'm heating it up. And sometimes too, I'll add even a little bit of extra water just because soup always thickens up in the fridge. But we'll do a little taste test. It smells amazing, by the way. So good. Oh wow. Can't wait for you guys to make this recipe. It's delicious. So I'm gonna go have my soup for lunch, and I will check back with you guys a little bit later. Are you guys jealous? I would be. Okay, bye. Oh my goodness. Cyber weekend sale was insane. These are just like 1% of the packages that we had to pack up for Cyber Weekend. You guys are insane. You guys had so many awesome purchases, and we had a really cool sale going on. And if you don't know, Matt and I actually run a online wellness shop called healthnutshop.com. Really easy to remember, and we sell a bunch of wellness items like water bottles, bento boxes, the gemstone bracelet that I always wear. We have this in other colors as well, and it's just been a labor of love, and it's been something we've been working really hard on the last year. So we really appreciate all your support, and we're gonna have some fun holiday bundles that are still gonna be up for the holidays. So keep an eye out for those. I will have a link down below. I just want to say a huge thank you as well, because that's the support towards the shop has just meant so much, and it just has been a really fun project that is now almost like another business. So thank you so much. We can't wait to keep building it. So if you guys have any recommendations for items that you want to see on the shop, leave them down below, and make sure you are following the Health Nut Shop Instagram and the Health Nut Shop newsletter so you are the first to know of any surprise discounts, new items. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and I'm gonna put these boxes back so we don't forget to ship them out. So it is mid-afternoon. I'm feeling like a little snack, and last night I tested with Andrea 2 rounds of cinnamon rolls, and it's a recipe that I've been wanting to make for so long. I tried to test it like years ago, and I couldn't get it. It's a hard recipe if you're trying to healthify it. So get excited, because that recipe will be coming in December, so stay tuned. But here is a little sneak peek. Oh my goodness, like, they're so good. This is the first batch, and then Matt took the second batch to work with him because we don't need 2 batches of cinnamon rolls between Matt and I. So hopefully his teammates are enjoying those right now. Okay, I'm gonna go cut myself a roll, and BRB. So here are the famous rolls, and I'm not gonna tell you the secret yet, but this icing on top is refined sugar free. There is no icing sugar in it. Can you believe that? It's crazy. Oh my God. So good. I'm gonna thoroughly enjoy this and have some water and then probably head out in a little bit. I have to get a video up today as well. It's a Trader Joe's grocery haul. So that will be up. If you guys wanna see it, I'll link it down below. But I'm gonna go enjoy this. I promise recipe is coming soon. It's coming in December, so stay tuned. All right, I am back. It's much later. You can see it's darker. The yellow lights are on. It is 7 o'clock right now. It's a little bit later, but really gets dark at like 5 now. So even if I had an early dinner, we'd be in the dark. Matt and I did a couple of errands. We ended up going to IKEA. We had to pick up a couple things. And when you go to IKEA, do you know what you buy? I'll show you what you buy. Some meatballs. These are so good, and the ingredients on them actually aren't bad. They're not too bad anyways. Obviously making it at home is better, but these are such a nice treat and they taste so good. And like I said, the ingredients aren't too bad. I can pronounce everything, nothing weird in it. And we're gonna have this. I have some tomato sauce and some pasta. I'm gonna keep things really simple tonight. It's gonna be a little pasta and meatball night. And yeah, I already have some water boiling, so we'll get that started and cook some food up because I'm pretty hungry and I'm really excited to have these meatballs. So let's get cooking. All right, so dinner is done. Yeah, go for it.
IKEA.
So good.
Good job. Furniture meatballs.
You know how to do it best.
They're good.
Right?
Mm-hmm. They're good meatballs.
So good. So we're gonna eat this. What are we gonna watch?
Right now we're watching Blacklist, which is pretty good.
Do you want to watch that or a Christmas movie?
Well, that right now.
Okay. Yeah, if you guys haven't watched The Blacklist, it's so good.
I like it. It's good. It's pretty good.
But there are a lot of Christmas movies on Netflix right now.
Yeah, I want to see what Netflix has in the Christmas movie capacity, because a lot of them are like made by them now.
Yeah, so I think they're like actually legit. They're not super cheesy, although those are fun too. But so Blacklist, maybe cheesy Christmas movie, because I feel like I need to get in the spirit.
I mean, it's still not December, so we're good.
All right, we're gonna go eat. Because we don't eat standing up in front of a camera. We eat on the couch. Cut to outro. All right, health nuts, that was it for today's What I Eat in a Day video, cozy edition. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I would love to know what I Eat in a Day video you'd like to see next. Make sure you guys vote in the top right-hand corner here. I'll have a little poll. You guys can pick. I have different fun options, like Matt cooks for me for a day. I could do an immune boosting one. I could do a healthy junk food one. Let me know, you guys pick, and I'll do that one next. These are so much fun to film, and I can just like do them while I'm working at home, and they're just really fun and chill and relaxed, so I really enjoy doing them. So as always, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button down below if you aren't already. The Health Nut family has grown so much this year, and I'm so grateful for all of your views, support, likes, comments. I read every single one. I truly do. Every time a video is posted, I stop, I read everything, and sometimes it's hard to reply to every single one, but know that your comments are seen by me, each and every one. So thank you so much. Remember, I post 3 times, I was gonna say once once. I wish. No, I'm kidding. I like posting 3 times, but I post Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. It's like a good mix of things. You got the Monday recipes, the Wellness Wednesdays, and the vlog Fridays, which you guys now know more about my life than I do, I think. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed all the delicious food I featured in today's video. If it's not up on my blog already, I promise they will be up soon. So I'm sorry to tease you. Okay, love you guys. Mwah. I'll see you guys later. Bye.